Yeah, guys, watch your badness over here, so. Some basmati rice. Be a badness, guys. You see badness in iPad. Yeah, guys, some bad basmati rice with some curry chicken, in it, guys. I'm gonna make no swag one in iPad. Guys, watch what going over here, so. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness, guys. Me not lie, that wanna sell off curry chicken, in it, guys. Some white rice. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. I'll be a badness in our kitchen. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Guys, a badness be dealing in my kitchen, you know. I'm not lie to tell you. So I go on in iPad. Stay tuned for the finishing look when it's in the plate, guys. Don't know the badness, though. Guys, soon come back. You deserve to pray. Guys, watch what I go on in iPad, guys. Worthy is their name. Worthy is their name. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a white rice and curry chicken neck, guys. Be a badness. White rice and curry chicken neck. Guys, see you in our next video, guys. They don't know the badness. I'm out.